Today, today, ma'am, I will explain why studying world literature is still important for maritime students and professionals in today's globalization world. Many people think the literature is only about reading stories, poems, and novels. However, literature is much more than that. It helps us to understand different culture, beliefs, values, and experiences from people around the world. For maritime students, this knowledge is very useful because the shipping industry connects different countries every day. As a future seafarers, we will work with people from different nationalities on board ship. We may have a crew mates from countries like Philippines, Japan, India, China, Greece, or Norway. Because of this, we need to respect different culture and learn how to communicate well. Reading world literature helps us understand how people think and live, making it easier to work together and avoid misunderstanding. World literature is also improve our communication skills by reading different stories. We learn new words, improving our reading and speaking skills, and become better listener. Good communication is very important at sea because clear instruction and can prevent accident and keep everyone safe. Another reason why world literature is important is that teaching leadership. Many characters face difficult situations and must make wise decisions. Their experiences reminds us that a good leader stay calm, think carefully, takes responsible, and care for others. These are the same qualities expected from maritime office and crew members. Literature are also teaches ethics and good values. Many stories show the importance of honesty, respectful, teamwork, and courage and responsibility. These values are important on every ship. Seafarer must follow safety rules, respect their fellow crew member, and make the right decision, and even during difficult situation. In today's globalized world, ships travel across many countries and cultures. This means maritime professionals needs intercultural understanding. World literature helps us appreciate culture differences and reminds us that every person deserves respect no matter where they come from. This creates a more peaceful and cooperative working on environment on board. World literature also help us become more understanding and compassionate by reading about the lives and the struggle of others. We develop empathy. This helps us support our crewmate, especially during stressful or challenges time at sea. A strong and united crew works better together and creates a safer work. In conclusion, studying world literature is not only about team learning stories. It prepares maritime students to become better communicator, responsible leaders, ethical professionals, and respectful member of an international crew. This lesson we learn from literature can guide us about in our career, in our daily lives. As a future maritime professionalism, we are not only sailing across ocean, we are also connecting with people from different culture. World literature help us understand these people, work with them, and become better global citizen. Thank you.